I'm drawing in centimeters. So I select front plane, sketch. Good. Draw a line from here to this place. Then I draw another line from here to here. Then you move it a bit to the top and this a bit down. Then maintain it. Let me smart dimension. Let me make it 5. Let me make this. Let me make it 30. Line. Let me close this and this. Good. Let me smart dimension this. Let me maintain it as 5. Let me dimension here. Let me make it 1. Good. So now I get this. Then I select revolve. The axis of revolution, I want it to revolve around here. Good. So I'm on the part of drawing the gas cylinder. So good. I select this edge. Then I select plane. Now let me increase the height of the plane. No, cancel. No. I don't want this. No. So let's cancel. Let's select this surface. Then click on plane. Plane. Then let's make it 5. 5 is okay. Let's make it 5 is okay. 5 is okay. Let's make it 5. And drag this back. Good. Now let me select sketch on this surface. Good. So I select this surface. We talked about convert entity. Convert entity makes it, you don't have to draw it again. So let me convert entity. Now it has come. Now let me use offset, not offset. Let me draw a normal line. Or let me use offset. Let me select this. Let me use reverse. And let me make it 0.7. Normal. It happens this offset didn't work out, so Ctrl Z. Let me make it normal. Let me do the offset again. Offset entity. Yeah, select this edge. I want it to be reverse. So accept. Good. Then what I'll do is I'll select line. Then I'll draw this line. Let me draw a center line to this edge. Good. Now select this line, then select for construction, accept. Now go to line, I draw a line from here to here, escape, line, escape. Let's make this and this horizontal. Let's remove this tangent relation, delete this relation. Now let's move this here a bit to the top. So now let me smart dimension this from here to here. Let's make it 3. Good. So now let's mirror this line about this point. Okay, let's accept. Then center line again. Let's draw this to this point. Escape. Let's select mirror. So you select this line. We are mirroring this line. Let's mirror it about this point. So now it's replicated here. Let's accept. Good. Now let's select trim. Let's trim this away. This away. Good. Let's even trim this away. Good. So we are okay now. Then let's select extrude. Once you select extrude, we'll extrude to this surface. So let's select this surface. So if you are okay, we accept. Okay. But let's do something. Go to edit. Then select do not merge. Don't merge the results. Accept. But you can see that it's too high. So now let's edit this plane. Let's make it 3. And let's accept. 3 is even still okay. This is okay. This is okay. So let's make it 2. So this is okay. Good. So now let's select another plane. Come to plane. Then select this surface. I'm not looking for that. Cancel. Select front plane. Then select plane. And select this. Good. So we create this tangent relation. So now this plane is tangent to this. So now let's select. Let me hide this. Select this sketch. Then just pick a rectangle, corner rectangle. Stand here with escape. Corner rectangle. Corner rectangle. Stand here, drag it to this edge. Good. Smart dimension. From here to here. Let's give 0.6. Then from here to here. Let's make it 0.6. Good. Then from here to okay, I'm coming. Let's make this. Let's make it 3. Then from let's dimension from here. This point to the origin. Cancel. Okay. Let's make this 7. Good. Now we are going to do an extruded cut. So it will ask you want it to reach this surface. So you select this surface. Okay. Then you accept it. Okay. Good. Now what you do is you will mirror this mirror. You mirror it about the right plane. Then we accept it. Good. Let me edit this sketch a bit. Let's make this side. Let's make it 5. Okay, let's accept it again. Good. So this is how the cylinders we use at our homes look like. Let me shell this. Let me make it 0.2. Good. Now let me select the surface. Show preview. Accept. So this is how the cylinders we use at our homes look like. Then there is a valve at the top here. So you can just draw something to represent your valve. So let me just draw a circle here. Small dimension the circle. Let me make it 1.3. Extrude. Let me make it 1.6. Good. Do not merge results. So let me make it 1. Good. Select right plane. Sketch. Good. So assuming I want to draw on the right plane, but because of how the whole thing is, I'm not seeing it. So there is the section view. Section view enables you to cut. So I can turn this around, pull it forward. So I get the section and I accept. So now I can see this from this side. So it's a very good tool, section view. Okay. So then I go back to my right plane again and sketch again. I pick center line. I draw a line from here to here. I skip. I draw a circle from here to here. Let me make it 0.4. Then from here to here. Let's make it 0.5. Then I'll extrude. Let's make it 1. Let me accept. So this is something just symbolic to represent it. Now you can see that we are actually done with the LPG. We're actually done with the LPG. Now it's left with the space inside the LPG. So what we can actually do is we can just select probably front plane sketch. Then Or let me cancel this. Discard changes. Let's select shell. Okay. Then as part of shell, I'll select here. With this, let me accept this. We see that it has created this. So now let's look at the section of it. We see that it has created the whole inside. And after we are done with this, we can close this whole back. I just revolving it, then escape. Sketch here. Let me just line. Escape. Smart dimension. Let's make 0.2. Good. Accept. Then we select revolve. Revolve, we select this axis. We accept. So if you should look at the section view again, you will see that now we've gotten our cylinder, our simple LPG cylinder. Great. So now in the second assignment, you have to do this same thing. Then you come and pick your material. Okay. Someone can decide to select this. Then come to appearance. Then come to part. I can choose to make this whole thing red. LPGs are normally light blue or ash. I can choose to make it ash, or I can choose to make it black or red or orange. Or you can come here, then select the color you want. If none of this impresses you, you can choose the material that is used to make it. For example, it falls under metals. So metal probably says steel. You can select steel, then brush steel. So this is the natural color of steel. I can select this, then I accept it. Let me hide this. Good. So this is my gas cylinder. Let me control S. Gas cylinder. Let me save it.